If you've been trying to get a Temu free gift and either nothing happened or you got confused halfway, this video will fix that, because most people don't fail because of the code. They fail because they don't understand how the system actually works. Before we go further, I've placed the latest working Temu free gift code right here on screen. It's also in the description and pinned comment, along with backup codes you can try. First, how it actually works. Temu Free Gift is not a simple coupon, it's a promotion system. That means you enter a campaign, you activate the event, you complete steps, then you unlock rewards. If any one of these doesn't happen, the whole thing feels like it doesn't work. Where most people go wrong. Most users do this: open Temu, start browsing, then try to find free gift. But by then, Temu has already put you into normal shopping mode, and the reward system may never show up. The easy way that actually works. Here's the simplified method. Step 1, start with activation. Click the first link in the description. This tells Temu you're entering through a free gift promotion. This step is the foundation. Step 2, activate before opening the app. Once the page opens, scan QR, mobile, or use manual activation. Only after this, open Temu. Step 3, check if it triggered. Inside the app, you should see free gift section, reward interface, item selection. If you don't see this, it didn't activate. Step 4, enter the code. Now use the free gift code shown on screen. This connects your account to the current promotion cycle. Step 5, follow the flow. Temu will guide you through browsing sections, checking offers, interacting with the event. These are required steps, not random. What happens next? Once completed, the reward unlocks. You can claim the item, the system completes. Important reality. Let's keep it honest. The system is real. People do get items. It's not instant. It's not guaranteed. Some campaigns require more effort. Why this feels easier? Because instead of guessing, you now understand how it works, where people fail, what actually triggers it. Final takeaway. Temu Free Gift is simple once you understand the system. Most people just approach it the wrong way. Follow the correct flow and at least the system will respond properly. And if you try it now, comment what you see. Did it finally work or not? I want real feedback from you.